today we are going to talk all about lash serum. So I had you guys ask me some questions on Instagram and I'm going to discuss all those, the do's, the don'ts, the what ifs, everything. So I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I look like a fucking mime. Like, why can some girls look like Audrey Hepburn? Audrey Hepburn? Yeah, right? Hepburn, whatever. But that's besides the point. So I'm gonna go wash off all my makeup because when you use lash serum, you don't want any makeup on your face, no mascara, no eyeshadow, eyeliner, nothing. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm back. And this is what I look like without any makeup. I apologize, I'm so tired. But I went ahead and curled my lashes just so you could see what they look like when they are curled. So I'm gonna get close. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna get close. So if you look like right in here, I'm actually missing some lashes. I used some mascara that was like super clumpy and I tried to like unclump it by kind of pulling it and pulled out some lashes. So that's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer your questions. I filmed this the other day and it was like 25 minutes long and I'm like, no one wants to listen to your ass for 25 minutes. So I'm gonna try to make it a lot shorter this time. So we're just gonna zip right through this. Someone asked, it says to wash your lash area. Is that necessary? Yes, you want your lash area super clean because if it's not clean, to sum it up, it's going to possibly cause an infection or irritation because your lash follicle is going to get blocked due to the makeup or the eyeshadow or eyeliner. So make sure that area is completely clean. And you should be using your lash serum at night, so I would hope you'd wash your face. If not, you're nasty.
You're nasty.
All right, does this cause any eye sensitivity? So eyeball sensitivity, no. When you first use MAXEYLASH or probably any lash serum in general, you are going to experience a little bit of discomfort. It's gonna feel like a little tingly and maybe like a little hot, and that is completely normal. You will probably experience that like the first week or two just because, you know, it's brand new, your lashes are getting used to it, but it's completely normal. If you can just stick through the first week or two of using it, that'll go away and you won't be feeling that anymore. Okay. When did you notice a change? So I noticed a little bit of a change right around 4.5 weeks. I noticed they were getting a little bit longer and then they got very long after the 4.5 week mark. You know, once I was up to 6 weeks, I was like, wow, these suckers are long. So I would say between 4 weeks all the way up to 8 weeks. It really just depends on how your lashes grow. Each person is different, but just give it some time, be consistent with it. Make sure you are doing it every single night until you see the length that you want. If you're doing it inconsistently, you're gonna see inconsistent results. How old do you have to be to use it? I feel like if you have to ask me how old you have to be to use it, you're too young to use it. I mean, I don't know. You know, old enough. Is it true that you can't wear lash serum around pregnant women? Maybe if you're pregnant, I don't know, around pregnant women, that's odd. So before I had my miscarriage, which was about a little over a month ago, I was hesitant on using MAXEYLASH because I was pregnant and I wasn't sure if I was supposed to use MAXEYLASH or MAXEYBROW because when you're pregnant, there's just so many things you can and can't do, can't wear, can't eat, and I just wanted to be safe, so I kind of took a little bit of a break when I was pregnant and I was just waiting to ask my doctor, but that didn't work out. So if you are pregnant wanting to use a lash serum or brow serum, definitely check with your doctor and see what they recommend. How did you choose the brand that you use? So I got a huge PR package. I get one a couple times a year and basically they send me like all the hottest beauty items, skincare items, all of that. And inside that package was MAXEYLASH and I was like, lash serum? I doubt that works, come on. So I was hesitant and I posted on my story on Instagram and a lot of people were like, oh my gosh, try it, you have to try it. I've been wanting to try lash serum forever. So I tried it and I did before pictures, which I will post on this screen, and yeah, it worked. It truly worked for my brows too. Will it change the color of my lashes? Yes, it is going to darken them. Same with your brows. If you use a brow serum, it's going to darken your brows as well. Did it darken / stain your eyelids at your lash line? I've heard it can. All right, so this was asked by a lot of people, so I just want to address this. When I first started using my MAXEYLASH lash serum, I was just very messy when I used it. You know, I took the applicator, boom, opened it up, and just applied it. And I really just wasn't paying attention to where I applied it. And I did start to notice like a little bit of purple, like kind of discoloration around my lid. And I was like, what the hell? So just looking into it more and researching, I noticed that my lid was looking discolored because I was applying the lash serum
on my lid too.
Don't do what I did. If you do happen to get some lash serum on your lid, make sure you use a Q-tip to wipe it off. Otherwise, you're gonna get discoloration because lash serum is for your lashes, it's not for your skin. So if you get redness, itchiness, dryness, discoloration, stop and think, am I getting this on my lid? Because I was, and that's when I was like, all right, I gotta pay closer attention to when I'm applying this. I can't be so messy. So a lot of people ask, you know, how do you apply it? So I'm gonna show you how I apply it. So this is actually empty as fuck. So this is like a horrible one to use. I don't know if I have another one. But alright, so I'm gonna try to apply it. When you get a brand new tube, you get a lot of product on your wand. So like mine doesn't have a lot of product on it because it's like near the end. I've had this like for over 5 to 6 months, which a tube should last you between 4 and 5-ish months. I can stretch mine because I'll put it in hot water like once I know it's getting low, and the hot water will just kind of make it a little more liquidy and it'll really get all the product off the inside of the bottle. So that's a good hack if you're getting low on your lash serum. Just stick it in hot water for a few minutes and it'll kind of melt it. But anyway, so when you first get your MAXEYLASH, you want to open it and scrape it. Scrape off the sides because you're going to get a lot of serum on your wand, and you don't want that because when you apply a lot of serum, A, it's going to get on your lid. B, you're going to have a lot of product in one spot and it's going to kind of thin out when you apply the rest of it. So you're going to get longer lashes in that one spot, shorter lashes down here. So then you're going to have to try to even them out by putting more lash serum on this side, and it's just a mess. Just make sure you're applying the product evenly. So I'm going to shut up and show you how I apply it. And I apply it about halfway, and then I turn my wand because I've got more product on the other side of the brush. That way it's even, and apply it. See, I did not get any on my lids. I think I heard from you, not 100% sure, that you can put castor oil on your lashes. I have heard that too. I've never tried it. I've heard that you can use castor oil, you know, for your eyebrows, for your lashes, for your hair. I've never tried it, and I would love for someone to try it for me and let me know. So, there's that. Is it all worth the cash? Because that's expensive. It is expensive. So, it's $95 with code LANEY. You can get $20 off, which makes it $75. There are other products on the market which are cheaper. I've never tried them personally. MAXEYLASH is what I've tried. MAXEYLASH is what I know works. So if you want to try the other products, go for it. I don't know if they're the same type of ingredients, so that's up to you to kind of figure out. I'll put all of MAXEYLASH's ingredients up on the screen. People did ask me, is it safe to use? I looked up every single ingredient and I didn't see anything bad associated with that ingredient. It just kind of seemed like general cosmetic ingredients, but is it worth it? I think it is. I know there are products that are like $150, like Latisse. I think Latisse might be even more than $150. Roden & Field's Lash Boost is $150, which is ridiculous. Did you get styes from it? No. And again, I didn't get styes or anything like that because I am removing my makeup. I'm keeping my lash area clean. There's no makeup. You guys, when you apply this product, please make sure that there's no makeup, makeup free. This is a makeup free zone when you apply lash serum. Do you feel it is a permanent result? No, it is not permanent at all. So lash serum, it's just, I mean, it's temporary. As soon as you stop using it, this was another question. I know I keep saying this is another question, but this is another question. So someone was asked, are my lashes going to fall out when I stop using lash serum? I heard that that's what happens. No, that is not what happens. What happens is your lashes return to normal. So whatever your length was prior to using lash serum, that's what it's going to go down to. Another question. Your lashes might become tender or sensitive if you are applying too much lash serum. So again, do the method where I mentioned scraping the sides, applying it halfway, turning your wand, applying it the rest of the way. That should help with any lash sensitivity because applying too much serum can cause lash sensitivity. Did you notice crusties around your eyes in the morning? No, I didn't. No crusties here. Do you have to keep using it once you see the results you were aiming for? That's a great question. So let's say it takes 6 weeks, okay, we'll say 7 weeks until you notice your lashes are long and they're at a point where you're like, okay, I'm happy with these. Then you can start just using your lash serum 2 to 3 times a week or more if needed. So I would say personally I use mine probably, yeah, I'd say about 3 times a week, just so I know for sure I'm maintaining the length. So keep that in mind too. Once you reach that peak, then you don't have to use it every single night. All these are like the same. I find I get acne around my eyebrows after I use any type of growth serum. So I have been using Maxi Brow, which is this big old guy right here. I'll compare it. I'll show you what it looks like compared to the, excuse me, the lash serum. I just picked up the lash serum with my toes. It was on the ground. So here's the lash serum. Here's the Maxi Brow. This is 5 milliliters and this is 3 milliliters. It is a lot bigger of a tube. And I'll show you how I apply it. In the beginning, I applied it to my whole eyebrow. So I'm going to insert some pictures so you guys can see what my brows look like before. They've definitely thickened. They've definitely grown. I am so happy with them. So basically, I just kind of paint it on. Go like this. And again, if you want your whole eyebrow, then paint your whole eyebrow. My eyebrows were actually a lot thinner than what they are here. And I would actually end up painting like a little bit below my eyebrow because I wanted that area to grow with hair. So I was painting just kind of like my skin with the brow serum so that I could have some hair grow in where there wasn't hair growing. And it definitely worked. My eyebrows have gotten a lot thicker. I think the hardest part is just letting your eyebrows grow. I am a plucker. I like to pluck my eyebrows, so it was hard to have hair pop up in places that weren't my eyebrow and not pluck it because I am a plucker. So no, as long as you clean your eyebrows beforehand, you know, take off your brow product and everything and apply the brow serum, I don't think you should be getting any acne. Do you use less mascara with how good the results are? And do you ever use an eyelash curler? Yes, I used an eyelash curler here. Now with mascara, I only use 1 coat. Before I would use like 3 coats, no joke. Before lash serum, I would use 3 coats to make my lashes look big and dramatic and long. But now I just find myself using 1 coat, so it's really nice. And a lot of people ask, did I get any brown spots on my eyes? No, here's my eyeballs. You shouldn't be getting the product like in your eyes. But here's my eyes. No brown spots on my eyes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope that answered your guys' questions about lash serum. That's my experience with it. I've been using lash serum consistently since probably May of last year. I'm very happy with the results, both my lashes and my eyebrows. I'm definitely going to keep using it. Again, just be careful when you use it. Look where you're applying it and you should be good to go. Just follow my instructions. Check the instructions on the MAXEYLASH website. But let me know if you guys have any other questions. Yeah, I hope this helps you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.